हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। सभी का स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल करुणा पढ़े मेरा जमा आ चुके हैं 5th स्टैंडर्ड की हिस्ट्री के साथ। और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है व्हाट इज हिस्ट्री। तो ये होने वाले आपके एग्जाम के MCQ क्वेश्चन जो आपके एग्जाम में आने वाले, जो आपका 40 मार्क्स का एग्जाम। तो चलिए एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, द साइंस दैट ट्राइज टू अंडरस्टैंड द पास्ट इवेंट्स इज कॉल्ड हिस्ट्री. History is not written solely on the basis of imagination. True. The time had already gone by is the past. The dash includes many events that does already take place. Past. The history is considered to be discipline scientific. The time we are in now is the present. The time that is yet to come, it is the future. Students, the problem of degradation dash the studies of problem of degradation of the environmental studies. Dash studies events of past histories. Dash provide us with the guidance about how we should behave today order in shape of future history. The past and present and the future are linked by continuous change of event. True. Every dash has a history. Every science has a history. We realize from dash that the future depends on our past events. History. Technology development hand in hand with the physical and intellectual development of man. True. The invention of dash are only possible on the foundation of discoveries and inventions of the past. Present. The methods of using numbers of different tests to determine whether the evidence is reliable is called scientific method. नेक्स्ट पेज पे हम आ जाते हैं के ऊपर, जिसका अभी हमने वहाँ पे 16 पे और कंटिन्यू अभी हम करेंगे फर्स्ट से नेक्स्ट पेज के से. तो द कैलेंडर वी यूज टुडे इज बेस्ड ऑन ए हिजरी एरा, बी कॉमन एरा, सी शहनशाही एरा, डी नन ऑफ दिस. Common era. Our earth evolves around the sun. The earth takes dash hours to complete one rotation around its own axis. 24. The to communicate his coronation in 1674, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had started the Rajya Abhishek Shakha. The period of the history gone back to the time of the birth of B solar system. Earth was formed about dash billion years old or 4.5 billion years old. Somewhat are the two eras that are used be India. 8 dash era was started to communicate migration of Prophet Muhammad from Mecca to Medina, Hijr. The dash community of India uses the Shahenshahi era, Parsi. 10th, a chain of every events of follow one after other is present in a linear series of manner in books. A history. 14 carbon analysis or tree ring analysis are known as dash techniques, dating techniques. Dash is the smallest unit of measuring time, seconds. The historical period of one for which writers record are available to. The period from the common era or the Christian era is also known as before Christ. To measure the time is to measure the length of the time. When 1,000 years are gone by, a millennium is completed. When years are gone by, a century is completed. The common era began in the memories of Jesus Christ. True. We divide time into 4 of our convenience period. We divide 24 hours of the day into 14 hours of the day and 10 hours of night sleep. False. dash century make a millennium, 10 centuries make a millennium, 22nd months make a year, 12 months. Christian era is the most widely used method of measuring time. True. Prehistoric is the period for which no writer record are available. Prehistoric. First main instrument by Egyptian in the year 800 BC for measuring time was sundial. The full form of AD, Anandomi. 27th. What is the full form of BC? Before Christ. The first century of the Common Era is written as A 1:100 AD. False. The first millennium of the Common Era is written as 1:1000 AD. तो हम आ जाते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट पेज के ऊपर. तो अभी हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, डैश इज द ओनली प्लैनेट वेयर लाइफ इज नोन टू एग्जिस्ट अर्थ. द circular motion of the great speed led to the formation of sun and planets. The first living organism on earth are known as C both A and 2. We need C microscope to watch protista. It is believed that various kinds of unicellular organisms live in body first appearance in water. There are 8 planets that revolve around the sun. India has launched a spacecraft Mangalyaan in 5th March 2013. The surface of Earth looked after the 80 crore years to cool down. The living world on the earth consists of planets and animals. The gradually multicellular living things developed from the unicellular ones. The unicellular bodies first appear in water. Where did the protista appear first? Water. Every planet in the solar system revolves around the sun along a specific path. What is the most common gas on earth? Nitrogen. The earth spins on the angled tile called a n-axis. The rotation of earth is caused be due on day and night. The rotation of earth takes 1 day. Revolution of earth takes 1 year. The earth's revolution is called an orbit, and we orbit around the sun. What happens when 1 year time earth makes a complete revolution around the sun? How many oceans are on earth? 5. Much of the earth's surface is occupied by water. 23rd, living animals which are part of this earth sphere, biosphere, where lake has been formed in Maharashtra. The third planet on the solar system, Earth. Every living thing goes through a sequence of changes called its life cycle. True. A living thing generates a new life. A new living thing is called reproduction. We know that the earth is a part of besides earth there are solar system. The planet that revolve around the sun 7. तो आज के बस इतना ही. आया हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आओगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आओगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, और तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.